Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a cashew peanut container, and I love these things, and I probably go through one of these a week. But I use these for storage. But what you have to do, you have to get off the outer layer of that label, and they glue these things on there pretty good, let me tell you. And what I do, I'll take and get some vegetable oil, just a wee little bit, and kind of pour it right here, and it'll wick into the other areas. You can see how it pulls it in there. And you don't need a whole lot of vegetable oil. So I'll let that set, and then I'll run some water over it and scrub it off. But this will come off, and if I can see what's in there, what I'll do on the top, I'll paint this where I can mark on there with a marker and write what contents are on there. But you know, you pretty much see it, but I always like to take extra time to put the label on there just in case. But this way this thing will get used for many years to come. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.